Imagine being on a thrilling zipline ride one moment and then narrowly escaping a terror attack the next. That's what happened to Rishi Bhatt, who you're seeing in these visuals in Pahalgam, an unsuspecting adventure enthusiast. All he expected from his ride was some thrill and memories that he could capture for a lifetime. He did manage to chronicle the moment, but little did he know about the carnage that his selfie camera would capture. These moments when the terror had struck Baisaran Meadows have been captured on camera. Take a look.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
So this video has raised several questions. Why is it that the man who was operating this zipline can be heard chanting these religious slogans just before the zipline began? And remember, Rishi Bhatt though has survived the attack. In the video, you can see several other tourists who are being killed on camera. This has raised several questions on whether the operator was also aware of the attack taking place. In fact, Times Now spoke to Rishi Bhatt, the man who recorded this entire video, who's seen ziplining here. And he believes that the zipline ride saved his life because the terrorists targeted the tourists in the Baisaran Meadow. In fact, he spoke about how the zipline operator said Allahu Akbar multiple times amid the gunfire in the background. Listen in.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. पैर लंबा करो. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. पैर लंबा करो.
जब मैं जिप लाइन कर रहा था तब वो 3 बार अल्लाहू अकबर अल्लाहू अकबर अल्लाहू अकबर बोला और फिर उसने फिर फायरिंग हुई थी और हमारे आगे जो लोग गए हैं 9 लोग, तब वो कुछ बोला नहीं था. उसने जिप लाइन करवाई तब कुछ नहीं बोला था. इवन मेरा लड़का और मेरी वाइफ भी जिप लाइन की तब भी वो कुछ नहीं बोला था. मैंने जब जिप लाइन की तब वो बोला था 3 बार और फिर तुरंत फायरिंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी. देखो, उसको शायद पहले से मालूम होगा तभी वो ऑन द स्पॉट मूवमेंट पे वो चीज बोल रहा है. मुझे ऐसा डाउट लग रहा है, मैं श्योर नहीं बता सकता, बट जब वो बोला उसके बाद ही फायरिंग हुई. और दूसरी चीज, आगे 9 लोगों को स्लाइड करवाई तो तब वो अल्लाहू अकबर क्यों नहीं बोल रहा था. पर दूसरी चीज हमने देखी कि जब नीचे गए तो ऑलरेडी नीचे वाला जिप लाइन वाला भी पहले भाग गया था. मेरी वाइफ और लड़का वहां पे पहुंच गया था तो उनके सामने ही वो भाग गया. ऊपर वाले भी सब बंदे वहां से गायब हो गए थे और लोकल पब्लिक भी वहां से भाग गई थी. जो 2 फैमिली नीचे गई थी ऑलरेडी उन लोगों को उनका रिलीजन पूछ के मेरे वाइफ के सामने 6 फुट के डिस्टेंस पे उन लोगों ने गोलियां मार दी थी. आपका रिलीजन पूछा और सीधा गोली मार दी. ऐसा मेरे आगे 2 फैमिली गई, वो दोनों फैमिली के साथ वही चीज हुई. मेरी वाइफ और मेरा लड़का वहां पे नीचे खड़े थे और मैं जिप लाइन में था तो शायद मैं बच गया. अगर मैं भी नीचे पहुंच गया होता तो वो लोग मेरे को भी गोली मार सकते थे.
Now, the zipline operator has been identified as Muzammil Ahmed Kumar, a resident of Pahalgam. He is currently being questioned by the NIA team in Pahalgam.
The National Investigating Agency, which is probing Pahalgam terror attack, has started questioning a zipline operator after a video was posted on social media platform by a tourist who is from Gujarat. The video shows initial moments of the attack, wherein this zipline operator started chanting Allahu Akbar. The movement firing started in Baisaran Valley of Pahalgam, and then releases the tourists on the zip line for a ride. The National Investigating Agency, which has taken over this case for investigation, has summoned this zip line operator, who has been identified as Muzammil. He is resident of Pahalgam. He has been questioned and is currently in custody of National Investigating Agency. This video, which was posted by the tourist from Gujarat, shows the initial moment of this terror attack. The firing starts, zip line operator chants Allahu Akbar and then proceeds releases the tourist on zip line. Tourist on zip line who is unaware of this circumstances. The whole scene is in fact recorded by the tourist, and he has alleged that this zip line operator had in fact some sort of clue about the terror attack. Now this is part of investigation, and the zip line operator is currently being questioned. He is in custody of NIA.
My colleagues Yavar Shafi and Pradeep Datta are on the broadcast with us with the details. Yavar, the tourist has revealed that while others went into the zip line, there were no religious slogans that were heard. Only when he got onto it and there were gunshots that were heard in the air is when the man started chanting these religious slogans. What are the details of the man who has now been identified as Muzammil Ahmed Kumar? How long has he been operating there? Because the NIA now believes that he perhaps was in the know of what happened. What are the details of the investigation?
Well, as of now, he has been operating the zip line for a couple of times there, and basically he is a native resident of Pahalgam, Muzammil, and the NIA, which is a premier investigation agency for this particular case, has summoned him, and the questions have been taken into the consideration after the 53-second long video went viral in which he was, hearing and witnessing chanting the slogans, and this is an Islamic slogan which he has, chanted when the first gunshot was heard, and eventually it has unleashed outrage across the country and prompts authorities to take up this investigation with him. Okay. And security establishments are going to grill him for more questioning with regard to the perspectives and ongoing investigation that why this person has chanted the slogans, and was he aware about the fact that these circumstances will be unleashed here. That's what these tourists, Rishi Bhatt has also claimed, that perhaps he might have been aware about the fact that the attack would have been carried there, and that's the reason before the first gunshot was heard, he chanted these slogans. All of the things have been put in.
And why is it that he did not panic? That raises questions as well. There were gunshots and he could see it as well, and yet there was no action that was taken. He didn't panic. He seemed right there, and he pushed the tourists to go into the zip line. Stay with us. We have more breaking updates in fact coming in. These are big revelations coming in from the Pahalgam terror attack investigation. The zipline video that we're talking about has provided crucial proof showing the terrorists moving with precision. In fact, the investigators say that the footage is clear evidence of the special training received by the attackers. Priyank, take us through the details of why this footage is extremely crucial.
Yes, Pratibha, yesterday when this video surfaced, the first thing which we could also notice that there were tourists who were running, and while the video was shot from the top angle, and while they were on the run, there was someone who was shooting them. So that clearly showed that it is a very well-trained person. The test was very well trained, and what we are getting to know that Hashim Musa, who has been trained by the Pakistani, the special group, the special operation group in the Pakistan side, has been sent to India for this terror attack, because you can imagine that some local terrorists from India could not have carried out this kind of attack, and that precision is certainly not there, and that could have been missing. Knowing this particular fact that they were tourists who were supposed to be shot down, Pakistanis have always used these foreign terrorists to carry out attack on the forces as well as on those individuals who have come from inside the valley. Now, if you look at the video, it's quite clearly seen that Hashim Musa, who is suspected to be the one who was brought here by Adil Toker, was shooting the tourists down while the tourists were certainly running. So that is what the agencies have been suspecting. Many individuals have been questioned, like Yavar was also talking about. But knowing about this particular person who has been identified so far, it is clearly showing that how Pakistanis have trained him in the side of the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and he was sent inside the valley here in Kashmir to carry out this attack.
Okay, all right. So all along we had the testimonies from the survivors on what happened, and this video shows the evidence of how it all played out in the training that these terrorists had received. Priyank and Pradeep, request you to stay with us as we slip into a very quick break here. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side. Do stay with us.